Have you ever been sleeping in bed tired and your kids come in and say, I'm hungry. Just jump up and make them a scrumptious grilled cheese sandwich. In order to make a grilled cheese sandwich, here are your ingredients. You will need some cheese, 2 pieces, 2 slices of bread, some butter, a napkin, a knife, a spatula, a microwave, and a frying pan. First, you put your 2 slices of cheese on your bread. Then you place your sandwich in the microwave for 20 seconds. Now whilst that going on, you turn on your stove. Don't turn it on too high. Turn it on medium. And place your butter inside the pan. And let it melt. Now since your grilled cheese is finished, you will take it out the microwave. And once your butter has melted, you will place your grilled cheese sandwich inside the frying pan. Like so. Also, while the bottom cooking, you add pieces of butter to the top also for when you flip. Make sure you mash your grilled cheese down so it be flat and it get brown on the bottom. Make sure you check on your grilled cheese sandwich so it won't become burnt. While your grilled cheese cooking, you can prepare to get your plate out to place your grilled cheese on. And then, now it's finished. Place it on the plate. Make sure you turn your stove off. And then, you got a perfectly cooked grilled cheese sandwich.